Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the hardware and OS support for fingerprint authentication, because without that the flow stops. Once done, add the platform biometric library and update your app's target SDK so OS protections work. Make sure to declare permissions and prepare a secure key store or secure enclave key for cryptographic operations. This is why you don't store raw biometric data. Now create a simple UI button that invokes the biometric prompt as the first actionable step. Next, implement the authentication flow by constructing the biometric prompt or local authentication context and supply clear titles and reasons for the user. Wire callbacks to handle success, failure, and errors. On success, unlock the key store-backed key to sign or decrypt sensitive data, which proves the biometric check. Make sure to implement a fallback authentication method like device PIN and update UI states immediately so users understand progress and any retry limits, because that preserves security and usability. To finish, test the feature on multiple devices and scenarios. No enrolled fingerprints, multiple fingerprints, or hardware failures since behavior varies. Make sure keys invalidate when biometric settings change and cleanly fall back to device credentials. If the sensor fails, show a clear retry message and offer the PIN option. Don't reveal internal errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if authentication repeatedly fails, reset the key store-backed key and prompt the user to re-enroll biometrics to resolve mismatched key state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.